A lot of people still think there's a quote-unquote perfect time to post on TikTok. Like if uploading at 7 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. is suddenly going to make a bad video go viral. That's not really how TikTok works anymore. Yes, timing matters, but not because the platform is chronological. It isn't. TikTok's algorithm is built around performance, retention, and viewer behavior. A video can sit quietly for hours and then suddenly take off later that night or even the next day. What timing actually does is give your content a better chance to get early momentum. That's the important part. When you post, TikTok immediately starts testing your video with a small audience. If people watch, rewatch, comment, share, or stay until the end, the platform keeps pushing it further. So the goal isn't to find a magical hour. The goal is to publish when your audience is most likely to engage quickly. And most creators completely overcomplicate this. The easiest way to find your best posting time is inside your own analytics. Go to TikTok Studio, open Analytics, and check your follower activity. You'll usually notice patterns very quickly. Some audiences are active late at night, others spike during lunch breaks or right after work or school. That information is far more valuable than random quote-unquote best time to post charts online. That said, external studies can still give you a useful starting point. For example, Buffer analyzed more than 7 million TikTok posts and found that late afternoons and evenings tend to perform best overall, especially during weekdays. Their data also showed strong performance around Sunday evenings and midweek afternoons. But the important thing is understanding why those studies can be misleading if you follow them blindly. They combine creators from completely different industries, countries, audiences, and content styles. A fitness creator, a meme page, and a finance account will all have completely different audience behavior. That's why averages should only be a starting point, not a rule. Another mistake people make is posting exactly during the busiest hour. Usually it's smarter to upload a little earlier. If your audience becomes highly active around 9 p.m., posting at 8:15 or 8:30 gives the algorithm time to process engagement before traffic peaks. By the time more users come online, your video already has momentum. And content type matters too. Fast entertainment clips tend to work well later in the evening when people are scrolling passively. Educational videos often perform better earlier in the day when attention is higher. Longer storytelling videos usually need quieter moments where viewers are more willing to stay and watch. But honestly, the biggest difference rarely comes from timing alone. It comes from the quality of the first few seconds. If the hook is weak, the posting time won't save the video. The creators growing fastest on TikTok right now are not obsessed with finding secret posting schedules. They test constantly, study retention, improve their hooks, and adapt based on audience behavior. Timing helps, but posting strong content is still the most important factor. If this helped, follow our channels for videos to help you improve your social media strategy and content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.